Hello friends, once again welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to discuss a case with you. We see a lot of such patients in our practice. People come to me and they say that just like he came to me and he said that I'm doing everything, I'm eating right, I'm exercising right, I'm young, he's 28-year-old, got good muscles, he works out, he eats right, but still there is some bit of fat around his abdominal area and he says I cannot lose that whatever I do. So this is one of the common problem people have, just like he's going through. Like I said, they eat well, they exercise very well, everything is perfect, but still there are some areas on their body where they are not able to lose the fat from. Mostly in men it is around the waistline, and women it is their area of waistline, thighs, abdomen, butt area, and sometimes also the arms. On this particular areas they put on fat. So maybe sometimes the weight is within the normal range, but it kind of looks that they're heavy from the butt side, hip side, or with men. Otherwise, they look physically fit, but it's just that there's a lot of bulge there, or there are love handles. So people are really worried about that. They are not in that particular shape, and they come to me and they say that, okay, fine, we are in the regular normal range of our weight. Fat percentage is a little higher, though not alarmingly high, but it's just that they're worried about the deposition of the fat which is around certain areas, which looks rather, you can say, they're uncomfortable with, and now they want to deal with that. Now, what do we do in these areas? What can we do? Because whatever you do, we don't say that, okay, you do this exercise and the fat on your abdomen will go away. You do this, then area of your thigh will have no fat. If you go down into the scientific basis of a fat cell, there are two types of fat cells. One is a brown fat cell and one is a white fat cell. So some of these cells, they are right there from the birth, and later on these cells, they are very resistant also to the diet and exercise. These cells only respond to certain hormones also. When such a scenario is there, if you want to get rid of the fat cells from a particular area of the body, what we do is we use certain techniques. So yes, there are surgical ways of doing it also, like a liposuction, where you suck out the fat from a particular area. But as you know, it's a surgery. Each surgery has its own pros and cons, and there is anesthesia, there is a complication, you'll be taken to the operation theatre, you'll be anesthetized, you'll be put to sleep, the fat from a particular area will be taken out. So for some time that area, yes, it becomes flat, but what happens later on? Well, you have so many other fat cells on your entire body, they are waiting to bulge. In some of the patients whom I have seen, in fact, I would say every week I get one patient who comes and says, we have undergone this liposuction and look, I'm bloated now on my thighs, I did a liposuction on my hips and look at my abdomen has come out. So then body tends to sort of get into equilibrium by putting on fat in other areas. So if your body is particularly prone to putting on in area 1, then what happens is, then you have done a particular procedure on that area, then body tends to put on fat on the other area. What we do is something which is very, very simple, which is very effective, and there is no surgery, there is no anesthesia, there is no pain, nothing. We do the technique which is the most advanced, absolutely non-surgical, absolutely non-invasive, which is laser lipolysis. We call it as a lunchtime procedure, where you select a particular area on your body, which could be anything. It could be abdomen, hips, thighs, arms, anything. And with the help of non-invasive lasers, we break down fat cells. So this area where the fat cell is broken down from is just a little bit under the skin, which is 1 to 1.5 centimeters below the skin. Those fat cells are broken down, and absolutely there's no pain at all. That fat goes to the liver, and liver metabolizes that fat, and slowly that fat is excreted and metabolized, and then the skin slowly gets its tone and starts shrinking. So this is how we deal with fat deposition on a particular area of the body. And next time we will see how actually we do it. But yes, we do have a video of how we actually do it, and we will show you here how we actually do it and how it is absolutely painless. Absolutely, there is no heat or anything. It's very beautiful and anybody can go through this. So when we were talking about this laser lipolysis, very effective, absolutely painless, and when you're actually doing the procedure, it is for about 1 hour. No surgery, no injection, no pain, there's no heat or something. You can actually enjoy TV or read a magazine or something. It is going to target on your fat cells or on whichever area you choose. It's absolutely brilliant how science is advanced today. Within an hour, you can lose about 1 to 3 inches, depending, of course, on what is that area, how many cells we're going to break down without any pain. So this is a very, very advanced, fabulous technique for people who are really, really so concerned about a little 1 or 2 inches here and there. And especially, I wouldn't like to take the names, but yes, we do have those who professionally require themselves to be absolutely having 0 figure. There's not a bit of fat here and there. They just come before the photo shoot and they just get rid of that little bit of fat which is accumulated and not going away with any of their efforts. We feel that this is a very easy procedure. I shouldn't say it's a procedure because there's nothing like a procedure, and very simple, absolutely no hassles at all, and the results are amazing. You would like to actually go through this. It's exciting that I am not undergoing any surgery. Till I'm going to reduce that bit of fat which is disturbing me in 1 hour. So now what we will do is we'll actually see how it happens in a patient, and how we do that and how one is able to lose that much of fat. If you like this video or if it interests you, keep watching our channel, subscribe to our channel, and if you want to get notified about it, press the bell icon. Keep watching, keep listening, and enjoy. Thank you very much.